Since 1945, TrueNorth Steel has been providing quality steel products to its customers. One of the reasons for this continued success can be attributed to their talented and hard-working machine operators. Machine operators are an essential piece of the manufacturing process, providing machined and processed steel for many different product lines, including structures, bridges, storage tanks, rails, stairs, and more. Machine operators are responsible for safely and efficiently operating various types of machinery that mill, drill, cut, bend, and otherwise shape the steel for the fabrication process. TrueNorth Steel has a variety of machines, including state-of-the-art robotic coping and thermal cutting systems. Machine operators follow the direction of their supervisor for their scheduled shift, while still being personally responsible for their machine and output. Although industry experience is preferred, no direct machine operating experience is required to become a machine operator. Being comfortable with computers and not being afraid to get your hands dirty are important prerequisites. Career progression is available to machine operators as they master the various machinery and processes. The position will work year-round in a safe shop environment, working closely with their fellow game changers. To learn more, go to TrueNorthSteel.com/careers.